Ouais, tomber du ciel, tomber du ciel. Akwea, tomber du ciel.
En tout cas, tomber du ciel, c'est le romoro batufo batala mingi. C'est mission oyo, ils ont le toujours bien fait, toujours exploit et ouais rason droit de la forêt.
Alex Nsima Kobo sanate moro tezoya. Moro tezoya, il faut qu'on explique mon kilé ba ana tona catastrophe.
C'est ce qui était les lois de la forêt. Donc voilà quoi.
Ouais, Alex Nsima, en tout cas, vous êtes là, vous êtes quand tout sola, même pas pour une heure de temps, 30 minutes. La vie qui m'a tout besoin, on a calmement posé. Donc, ils ont un problème. Mais vous êtes là, moro tezomi, maman a bon, on a beaucoup de fois, on a bien oui membran. Donc, on a calculé au ministère des fois. Voilà, merci beaucoup, Tima qui est la résidence.
First time like working with some of these artists?
It's not the first time I've worked with a Congolese. There's some others in the area. Okay. There's a young guy, he raps. And it's a mix. He sometimes does English, sometimes he'll do his
but he's not here famous.
He's not famous.
But this one is famous.
Famous.
He's a famous artist from Congo. So it means again, now you are working with the perfect artist in the world. I don't have any kind of testimony to say about him, but the main point is all the stars in Congo, they always like him. They always talk good things about him. But the main point is people sometimes they don't like to listen to the nice music. They like to listen to the short music where people are crying, claiming, clashing others. Then you find out a lot of people applause on that point. But when we go in perfectly talking about artists, this guy, and since you are working with him, one day if he took you to Congo, you'll be surprised. Everybody's talking about it. Can you see that I'm coming from DC? I said, I want to see you. Last week he was like, oh my God, can you make it? No, the time frame is not too close, but we can make it, but I have another plan. Can we do it on Monday? I said, no. On Monday with my sounding engineer, it's not gonna make sense. Let me just try to confirm with him, then I'll let you know. And when he called me, can you make it on Saturday? I said, oh okay, on Saturday, man, that's gonna be much better. Let's just make it on Saturday. That's why I came to see you, E. So,
you made it here. Thank you guys.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you, E.
Welcome to the studio.
Yeah, thank you so much. So I think this is not gonna be like the first time you like if I find other people coming this side, I'll tell them. Anyway, my star is always try to direct also other people to come and see once they are here in this. But a lot of people are saying like a week going to DC like for of recording studio. We just go. Finding a good studio, even myself before I was looking for a good studio for my church. My daughter wanted to sing, but that was no way. I check around. The studio I found was in Virginia, far, far away. But now I can see that you guys are well organized. A young guy like you having this kind of studio, and the sound quality, the buffing is giving you a lot of loud and good sound. It's not good. It's not. No, I can say it's not. It's very unbelievable. So this is very unbelievable. I like it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. I think I'm gonna have enough time talking with this guy.
No problem. Make yourself comfortable.
Can you add me another? Do you have another light that can make the little bit a vibe?
Yeah, we can have different. I can put different lights.
Yeah.
Tombé du ciel.
Ouais, c'est le bel au fort, non, l'émission, tout la salle, le bel au fort.
Ok. Vraiment, est-ce que. Ah, c'est
lui qui travaille à l'hôtel, moi j'ai à l'hôtel. Je vais laisser mon petit famille qui nous
ok.
C'est lui qui part.
Yeah, that was it. Maloba mona lobaki l'autre fois, mais na yoki yango te. Azwaki yango te ou bien na bandela yango? Ma parole ka.
In the beginning, before the sound started.
Azwaki te, hein? Please wait a minute.
Right, this is it.
Awa, abande zonga. Mama esika. Azo esika, the new one.
Très motema na ngai pona luka possibilité ya kolinga motema mosusu paroya yo mais mon cœur ne préfère que toi na parametre motema na ngai pona luka possibilité ya kolinga motema mosusu paroya yo mais mon cœur ne préfère que toi. Misonanga te dessus. Ah! Misonanga te de.
Yangwana.
6 heures.
Ouais.
Misonanga te zui de 6 heures. Kolula e. Ni. N'accordé carrément, j'arrêterai de vivre. Ni, botikanga. Nakufa soki nakokufa, namela poison. Pour l'amour eza. Big.
Ça, c'est la rumba mayonnaisée à la martiniquaise. Rumba. Ok. Mokwa, awa.
Mokwa, yebisanga na salera mo.
Pardon, ngam na bungi. Ah, yaza bien. Nazara kota yebisanga nde. Non, il a bien. Azora kota yebisanga. Awa.
Yebisanga na yepa mon baby mobile mon seul pour la piste na ngai igordile kolula kitokono nakokoma mondia ou carrément j'arrête de vivre je t'en supplie namela edi mobile mon seul bon artiste namai Igorville les pétroliers Clara Boulaya Alex Antima tombé du ciel Michel Mimolo
Wow!
Alex Antima Alex Antima nzambe kotu moto asala motema akomane kokabwanga ndenge nakomiso yanga cercueil ofandaka yo moko naka te yawe rasono zara nasoka kiko kayakani yawe rasono zara Merci.
Bonjour, nous sommes la team Lily Decoration. Notre staff est basé aux États-Unis d'Amérique. Nous sommes là pour vous offrir nos meilleurs de nos services pour vos événements mémorables et inoubliables. Faites-nous confiance, nous sommes disponibles 7 jours sur 7. Merci.